Welcome back to Winding Road Magazine. I'm Tedward, and behind me is the 2012 Range Rover. Before we take it out and take a look at this car, it saw some serious off-road duty, so we're gonna give it a little wash so we don't get all those complaint comments about dirty cars. Alright, boys and girls, this is a lesson in depreciation. This is a 2012 Range Rover, full body on frame kind of deal, right? This is like the Doug DeMuro special.
Yeah, brand new. Love the window sticker. 80 grand.
80 grand!
2012.
So this was like right before the redesign.
Yep, this is the last year, yeah.
So if you can tolerate not having the latest in technology with like the most primitive of touchscreens, this is where you go. Now, you don't just buy this car and say, yeah, now I have a used Range Rover. You buy this car and you best be finding a warranty. So Zach did just this. Basically, what does it cost you? Like $100 anytime anything happens.
Yeah, anything.
And now, I don't mean that in like, oh, it's $100 anytime anything happens. It means like if you blow out the air suspension and they're toast, it's $100, not $3,000.
Yep, engine goes.
$100.
Price of the engine for this brand new crate, $20,000.
No.
$20,000. I'll send you a picture of it. So
I've been living that. Yeah, living that Honda life.
Crazy.
Oh my God, 20 grand?
Yeah, 20 grand for an engine.
So what is this engine?
So this is the 5-liter V8. Yeah, nothing crazy about it.
You've just got a nice, naturally aspirated 5-liter V8 that drinks fuel like no one's business. And
average about 14 to 16 miles a gallon in this thing.
Yeah, but this is like the ultimate mom-mobile. Like, I feel like I forgot where my kids are, but it's okay, because there's probably wine in the back.
There is. Great camera car.
All right, yeah, we used this as a camera car when we filmed my Huracan Performante drifting in the snow video. But really what I want to talk about today is why, if you can deal with not having the newest stuff, you can get unbelievable deals. Because what do these go for now?
20 grand, 20, 25, 30. Yeah.
And so if you want like a warranty, so you're getting basically an $80,000 truck, what does the warranty cost, like the extra extended thing?
So you're gonna range anywhere depending on how long. Like I did a 3-year, 36,000 mile warranty on this truck. It cost me 3 grand. So $1,000 a year just to anything happens, I'm okay with that.
I know this is a different kind of review for this channel, but the truth is, this is a different kind of car for this channel, and I just think it's worth talking about because a lot of the things we do as car people are really exciting. We do these sports cars, but at the same time, we also have normal cars, and some of you people, unlike me, have families.
Yeah, and I consider this thing super exciting.
All right, what kind of modes do we have? We have like a wafty, like very typical automatic gearbox, and then we've got like this crazy Manatino. I know that's like really not what Land Rover calls it.
Pull into here, and we'll just go through all the different modes that you can pull this thing into.
Let's see. Oh.
We're working with the normal drive mode, and then you're able to switch it up here. And it's going to tell you right here on the screen what you're working with. So you have the grass and snow program selected. So this not only does it have a center diff lock, it has a rear diff lock as well. So for when you're going through some pretty rugged terrain, you can go through it, the wheels will lock up so you can just get through that terrain. Next one we have, this is going to be mud and rut mode. So this, not only does this car have, you know, air ride suspension, the locking diffs, it also has hill descent control. So as you're going down a hill, you just let your foot off of the brake, and the car's gonna brake for you as you're going down the hill.
Okay.
It's pretty slick. Next mode you're working with sand mode. And then last but not least, working with rock crawl.
Select low range to activate rock crawl.
Yeah,
Now,
and so this has a 2-speed transfer case. So what you do is you actually have to put the car, go ahead and put it in neutral.
Okay.
You can go into the low range mode.
Okay, and now it's going into low range mode.
Yep.
And we're rising up.
Yeah.
I can feel the truck going up. Whoa.
Is that pretty slick?
So now everything you're doing, you'll get your like your level.
Yeah, it'll let you know what wheel is going up, articulating, which one has traction. It really gives us this really slick little view of what's actually happening as you're going off.
Right, because now we have an unlocked rear diff.
Yep.
And all right, very cool.
Yep, and then so this is your, so that's those 2 modes right there. This is your hill descent control to activate it, deactivate it, and then this is the ride height control for the car. So if we get out of the truck, you can actually see how high it's gotten.
Yeah, all right, let's take a look. Yeah, look at this thing. That is very tall right now.
And then it doesn't look like much, but it's plenty enough to be able to climb over most stuff you're gonna throw the truck through.
If you hadn't noticed already, Zach works for Land Rover, so he knows these inside and out.
So this is a double pane window that you got from the factory. For quietness.
Oh wow!
As you're
Yeah, you
driving.
can actually see that
Yeah,
too.
you can see the 2 panes. And then let's show the coolest feature, the split hatch.
I love the split hatch.
Now you have that. You have the lower section as well. And so this can hold 600 pounds. So you can sit on here, you can be, you know, just camping outdoors, having a good time.
And I use this as my camera podium. So
Yeah.
I tuck in here like so. We close this guy. And then basically,
Good to go.
I'm sitting here. Here, show them, pull back. Basically, I'm just sitting here like this, filming out the back of this truck while we have cars coming on. So, this is my safety. I mean, I totally get why someone would be afraid to buy this based on just running costs in case something goes wrong, but that's why you go and get like that 3-year extended warranty. And you know what? Something bad happens to your $80,000 truck, you throw it at $100 and it's fixed. So buy the factory, buy Range Rover. I like it. You could fit so many tires when you go to the track. I mean, you could tow with this too, right?
Yeah,
I mean, you could.
It can tow a little over 7,000 pounds. And then it's just super utilitarian as well. We're working with, what is this? Yeah, 3-zone climate control, heated rear seats in the back.
Yeah, the heated rear seats in the back are actually really nice, and that's a feature that I've used plenty of times when we're off-roading in this. Get these bad boys.
And then Home Depot runs, all sorts of fun stuff. I mean, you can pack everything you want here.
All right, let's throw on the POV hat just so you get a feel for what it's like to drive it, and that'll pretty much do it. Turning radius is insanely good. Thank you guys so much for watching, liking, commenting, and subscribing. Go ahead over to my channel, Tedward Drives, to subscribe to more of me and my buddies doing dumb stuff with cars. Of course, subscribe to Winding Road Magazine. And although this Range Rover isn't necessarily for me, I like it a lot. And if I needed to tow my race car and put some tires in the back, or if I had kids and I wanted to make sure that their friends thought that I thought that I was better than them, then I think I'd buy this Range Rover. Anyway, we'll see you in the next one. Thanks a lot.